welcome. So I ran into this problem again and I forgot how to resolve the issue. So I'm making a video to try and figure it out. So right here, I'm trying to install this application. It's called PureRef. And then when I try to install it, I get this this error right here. Jesus Christ. And boom. So normally when I get that, I go here and I think it's under, it's not under the find help, so I gotta hack through this. So I'm gonna go, I think it's programs and features is the boom bap here. So let me, it's uninstall or see, it's normally down here where I make the change at. So I don't, let me see if that's it. Let me see. System components. All right, I'm gonna put this on pause and then I gotta do hold up. I'm gonna hack through this. Apps and features. I think, let me see. No, I wasn't there. So let me see. Let me go into this. I remember like during my research, I ended up like hacking through the steps. And that's horrible. So let me see some start. And I made a video of it and I forgot the video that I made. Let me see. I think it's programs and then programs. Turn Windows. It ain't that. It ain't that. I went to that. Let me see. I think it's right here. Okay, yeah. This is what I did. All right, run, and then I went to that fixer finger, bam, and then I had to do this thing. All right, let me get my son started on this. What you doing in there, Ryder? You eating? All right. I showed my son how I ate noodles when I was incarcerated, you know, like chips. Now he didn't go crazy on the noodles. So I'm looking for this app. It's called Ref something. Perf Ref or Ref Perf, or let me see what the name of it is. It is called Pure Ref. So it's in the P's. All right, there we go. Wow. So you're going to select that. Select the program you're having problems with. And you hit next. It's going to do a dance. Oh, and then I go to try recommended settings. And then what it did is it runs Pure Ref in Windows Compatibility Mode A. So you can go test the program or you can hit next. The first time I did it, I tested the program. It was a bunch of apps I've been having to install onto my Windows PC, it's my Windows PC. You get me? So these are some of the apps that I've had to install on the method that I've had to use to get these apps installed. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Bink settings applied. You see right here they applied those settings. You need to test it out. All right, so bam, bam. All right, it's not test. All right, and then I gotta log in as the administrator. Yep, 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 yep. Bam. There it go install. You get me what I'm saying? Yeah. And so here, I'm gonna start the app so you can see it. PureRef is one of those apps. It's definitely not on the Microsoft hardware's compatibility list and all that. So help. All right, right now I'm not gonna allow. And so here this is PureRef. I can drop an image on there. I use this to storyboard my videos. Like if I'm finna make a video or something like that, I use PureRef to storyboard my videos. Right? So there's PureRef. Save the settings for this program. You see it fixed. Close it. It's over and working. So if you guys are having a problem trying to get applications loaded onto your Windows 11 machine that aren't in the Microsoft Store or whatever, this is the method that I use, and I want to share it with you so that you can try it to use it in your situations. And then, if you please reach back, comment below, and let me know, if you tried any other different styles, methods, and that work. Please share your discoveries with us below. Thank you for checking out Packet Chasers. Keep on chasing in packets because the packets are not gonna chase you. Thanks for watching.